Hey, how you doing? We're Dacotah Studio. I'm Shawn.
I'm Tina.
Let's talk about how to define your vision.
One of the first questions we like to ask our clients is, how do you want to use your outdoor space? That will help us decide the design for your deck. Do you want to have one large deck for entertaining? Do you want to have different breakout zones? Do you have kids? Do you have dogs? This will all help determine the overall design and what goes into the deck.
So a few things that we think about in way of design, if you have kids and dogs, would be safety factors, such as gates and hand railings, right? Minimal splintering within the product that's put down on the deck.
And durability is really important with kids and dogs.
Absolutely.
Using a composite material, you know that you have that durability.
Yeah, these are features that we're always suggesting to clients to ensure that their deck is not only useful, but safe for their family and pets.
The other thing you want to think about with your deck is not just today how you're going to be using it, but how you'll use it in the future. Are you going to have aging parents that maybe will need an ADA handrail? Are you going to sell your home in the next 5 years? Maybe you can consider things that the future homeowner or the market will dictate. Or if you plan to stay in your home forever, then maybe go with some of those custom options that will really make sure that that deck and outdoor space functions for your long-term needs.
When we were designing our space, it was really important, since we do have a child and a dog, that we ensured we had not only the proper material underfoot, but we also had different breakout zones. Our yard has different elevations. That was an important factor for us to be able to create different zones.
Yeah.
Evening, we do a lot of entertaining in the evening, so we integrated lighting into the deck, which made a wonderful element and feature to our deck. The experience of having multiple zones and an offering to be able to have breakouts has been really, really useful.
Yeah, it's also important when we were choosing the material. Since we are in East LA, it does get warm. So we went with the Lineage line that does stay cooler under the sun. So it's nice when we're outside, it doesn't get as hot. Once you know how you want to use your space, then begin sourcing for inspiration. We like to go through books, Instagram, Pinterest, and start sourcing for things that inspire the overall look that you want to achieve. We like to use hard materials and make sure you get samples of the different materials that you're thinking about using. It will really help pull in the overall design of the space.
Trex also offers a 3D deck designer, or you can download pre-designed deck plans. You can find all of this and more on the Trex website.
Ultimately, every outdoor space is unique, so you want to make sure you're designing yours to meet the needs and function for your family.